Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer.
I am printing on 100% mulberry silk charmeuse today. It's a scarf. I am printing using colored tissue paper. Yes, you heard me right, colored tissue paper. I purchased this fabric online. It says it's 16 mumi, but it feels lighter. But it still has that buttery, soft feeling. Silk charmeuse has a seductive feel about it. So we are making 3 different levels of difficulty. This is level number 1, it's the easiest. Then level 2, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. Not difficult, it'll be a little bit less easy. And level number 3 is going to be the most difficult and most stylized section. So let's get started on this. Level 1. This is dollar store tissue, and not all tissue paper will bleed, so you have to make a test. Do a test of your tissue paper to make sure that it will bleed before you begin. Okay, just cut any shape, any size, it doesn't matter. Now this is level 2. Just cut different sizes hearts. These are different sizes flowers for level 3. Lay your scarf on a piece of plastic. So we are starting with the cut strips. We're just going to lay them out. Overlap them if you want. If you want, you can make the entire scarf with these strips. And that's level 1. Now on to level 2, the hearts. We have medium-sized hearts and small hearts. Overlap them if you want, or keep them separate. So this is level 2. You can make one size heart if you want, or you can make the entire scarf with heart of the same size. Or you can mix it up like this, small, medium, large. Now this is the 3rd level, and this is the most difficult. It's not difficult, but it's less easy. This is just a spray bottle with plain water. So make sure that the edges are all flat. Make sure that the tissues are completely soaked in water, or you'll have more white spots than you want or than you need. I didn't need a fixative for this process on silk, but I'll be doing a comparison video using a fixative vinegar on cotton fabric.
Let it sit for 24 hours to dry. After 24 hours, remove the tissue paper from the fabric. Set the print by ironing for at least 2 minutes on the wrong side of the fabric on silk setting. It looks like a misprint, but I find it so interesting. I love that. This looks more artistic, I think. It makes me feel like an artist than just a putter of tissue paper on fabric. Wash using very mild detergent, just 1 or 2 drops. There was no bleeding of the colors, and that's great. Dry away from sunlight or heat, then iron again on the wrong side of the fabric. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my video, and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. Look for more information in the description box below. Silk charmeuse printed with tissue paper. Fabulous. Thank you so much for watching, and give it a try.